Can you believe it? I'm joining you from Leeds, which is bright and sunny. Every time you come here, it's gloomy, it's cold, it's wet. You never know what's next. It's bright and sunny, and I'm looking forward to meeting my old friends Dinesh Karthik and Michael Vaughan, and bringing you their thoughts and mine on Crickbuzz Chatter in association with Crickbuzz 11, of course.
Are you ready for a quick round of rapid fire?
Oops. What is that? Okay, let's see. Keep it simple, guys. I'm part of you all, okay? Keep it simple.
What's your one-line advice to Captain Shubman Gill as he begins this big series?
Very simple. Seek advice, seek ideas, but eventually choose what you want to go with and be your own person. At the end of the game, you must say, I went with what I thought was right and accept the result. You cannot go at the end of the day and thinking, oh, I should have listened to that person. So seek advice, seek suggestions, be your own person.
Bigger challenge for Gill, replacing Rohit as captain or replacing Kohli at number 4?
Tough one. Maybe in the short term, replacing Rohit as captain because he's been around in international cricket for a while. Captain is a new feeling, so I'll go with captain first.
Sai Sudarshan, Abhimanyu Ishwaran, or Arshdeep Singh? Whose debut are you looking forward to?
You know, I still remember seeing some wonderful debuts. Early Tendulkar, then seeing Dravid, seeing Ganguly here in this country. So always excitement when there's a debut. Very hopeful of Arshdeep and Ishwaran to make it given their stories, but there's something about Sai Sudarshan. I really hope, because if he makes it big, he solves a lot of problems for India.
Thoughts on Karun Nair's comeback to the Indian team?
I'm thinking of one word answers, and so many words are coming to me. Beautiful, emotional, romantic, inspiring, and each of these words lends itself to Karun Nair's return, because everybody had shut the door on Karun Nair. And you know what they say, if people have shut the door on you, they're not listening to you knocking it, break the door down. And he's broken the door down. I wish him well, because he'll be an inspiration to many other people if he does well.
The